Hi guys, how to unlock chat in Roblox. Now open the Roblox app or Roblox website. On the app, tap More, 3 dots. On the website, click the gear icon. Then go to Settings. This is where all your account preferences live, so don't skip it. Select the Account Info option from the Settings menu. This is where your personal details and age verification tools are stored. Find the personal heading and choose either Continue with ID or Continue with Camera. If your current device does not have a camera, you can select Continue on another device to complete verification via a QR code or email. Here's a pro tip. Using a camera is faster, but the QR code option works just as well. Grant the app permission to use your camera. Ensure you have good lighting, center your face inside the circle, and follow the on-screen steps to estimate and verify your age. This is the most important step. Poor lighting is the #1 reason verification fails. Return to the main settings menu, then choose Privacy and Content Restrictions, followed by Communication. This is where you unlock all chat and voice features. Open the Experience Chat or Game Chat options and toggle the setting to on.